Over several years, astronomers have noticed flares in X-ray light from the black hole at the center of the Milky Way. NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory detected these flares during the telescope's periodic observations of the black hole. A new study suggests that these flares may occur when the black hole, known as Sagittarius A star, or Sag-A star for short, consumes an asteroid at least 6 miles wide. If an asteroid gets too close to another object, like a star or planet, it can be thrown into an orbit headed toward Sag-A star. Once the asteroid passes within about 100 million miles of the black hole, it is torn into pieces by the black hole's tidal forces. Eventually, these fragments are vaporized by friction as they pass through the hot, thin gas flowing onto Sag-A star. This is what produces an X-ray flare. If confirmed, this result could mean that there is a cloud around Sag-A star, containing trillions of asteroids and comets. This would be an exciting development for the many scientists who are fascinated by the Milky Way's giant black hole and the environment around it.